Okay, we're working on this 71 Skee Horse. I brought it in from outside over the weekend. Not much worse to wear. A little bit of scratching down there from the whatchamacallit. I'm not too concerned about it. Here's our bogies, all finished, painted. I didn't paint the top part because you don't see that. So I got a little extra overspray on the one, but that's okay. So our goal for today is to try to get all the track on, basically. Sorry, my nose is running. It's cold out here. Get the track on. Hopefully get this girl rolled over and get the skis in. Then start working on chain case and engine. And we're pretty much home free after that. Once the engine starts, that is. But let's get going on this track. Let's get the bogies in place and away we go. Alrighty, well the bogies are in, as you can see. It wasn't without incident. So now I'm going to go paint this, because I completely forgot about it, like an idiot. And then go in and have some supper. So we'll be back in a little while with an update. Okay, well, a lot's happened since I last updated y'all, and I apologize for that. I just got busy working. Track is in, steering is in, engine's in. Engine has spark. I had to replace the condenser. That one was just... So we have spark. Let's see. Just make sure what the key is on. Yeah, key is on right now. I got a little bit of combustible fluid in there, in the cylinders, some fogging oil, and then I sprayed some carb cleaner in. So let's see if this thing will pop for us a little bit. Oh, I worked for about 8 hours on this thing yesterday. It's not 100% tucked away, but rotate. Here we go. Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that. All right, I gotta have two hands for this. Just a minute. Oh yeah. Alright, I'm sorry that the camera fell, but boys, we got a runner. She wanted to go too. So, next move, new carburetor, I have that right there. Fuel pump. Let's start buttoning her up. Alrighty, it's together enough. Let's see if she's going to run. She is primed. Let me set you guys up. Got an air gas leak somewhere. Whew. Well, she's a runner, all right. Got an air leak though. It's not. Oh. It's the gas is going back into the tank for some odd reason. As I have no juice for the primer line. Alright, we'll be back in a minute. Ah, come on. Good enough for Saturday. Got smoke coming out of the sled shed there. That's a good sign. Whew, what a run.